Understanding. Do you get my drift? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common English phrase. Do you get my drift? This phrase is a fantastic example of how English speakers often use idiomatic expressions to convey their thoughts in a more nuanced way. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it fully. The phrase, "Do you get my drift?" is a colloquial way to ask someone if they understand the general idea or the main point of what you are saying. It originates from the nautical term, drift, which refers to the course a vessel might take when pushed by currents or winds. Similarly, when someone uses this phrase in conversation, they're essentially asking if you're able to follow the current or flow of their thoughts or arguments, even if not every detail is explicitly stated. Do you get my drift? Is often used in informal settings among friends, colleagues, or in situations where you want to ensure the listener has grasped the essence of your message without needing a detailed explanation. It's a gentle way of checking the listener's understanding or agreement without directly asking, "Do you understand?" or "Are you following me?" Here are some tips on using it. Use it in casual conversations rather than formal or academic settings. Pose it as a question after explaining a complex idea or when you're summarizing your thoughts. Be attentive to the listener's response, as it will indicate whether you need to clarify further. Let's look at some examples to see how "Do you get my drift?" can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In a discussion, "I think if we start investing more in renewable energy now, we'll be better off in the long run, economically and environmentally. Do you get my drift?" 2. While giving advice, "If you're not happy in your current job, maybe it's time to start looking for something new. Life's too short, you know? Do you get my drift?" 3. During a story, "So, instead of confronting him directly, I just dropped some hints about how I felt. Do you get my drift?" And there you have it. Now you know how to use and understand the phrase, "Do you get my drift?" in English conversations. It's a useful expression for checking comprehension in a friendly, informal manner. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in your English speaking and listening skills. Remember, understanding and using idiomatic expressions can significantly enrich your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.